Oh, hi, I'm Greg Melanson, and this is Behind the Spring. Today, we're going to learn about the people behind the spring. Our team members are our greatest asset, so let's go hear what they have to say. Let's begin. Thank you for joining me here today. First question, what's the coolest process at Vulcan, and what does it accomplish?
In my opinion, the coolest process is the new hire onboarding, because it's very exciting to see somebody that we bring on board, we offer a job, they want to come and be a part of our team, and we get to see them learn about the processes, learn about the company, learn about our products, and then turn around and transition everything they've learned into things that can help us grow and become a bigger, better company and be part of our team.
I might be a little biased as an engineer, but I think it's the technical sales and engineering process where we can take a customer need and turn it into a spring solution that we can make right here.
I think just the creating of the springs is the most interesting part of it. I think that, witnessing the start to the end is just it's the best.
Another question for you. Which of the industries we serve inspires you the most?
I don't think that I can say that I have any one particular, because I believe that what we manufacture and the variety of industries that it goes into all stand alone and have something special about each one that sets them all apart. So it's very hard for me to determine or decide which one inspires me over any others.
So I know this sounds like an easy out, but I really don't have an industry that inspires me more than another. I think everything that our customers do is really neat, and what inspires me is manufacturing, and all of our customers make things.
I think the retail space is the most interesting because you go to the grocery store every week, sometimes every day if you forget something at the grocery store, and just being able to see where our springs are used, pretty awesome.
Okay, here's a tricky one. How do you think spring making will be different 100 years from now?
I don't know if it's going to be very different, but it could be very different. What we make our springs out of right now is a material that will last for a really long time. But we don't know what tomorrow is going to bring from evolving materials and resources. So it could be done the same way, or it could be done completely different. But the reality is it's a hard, solid product that needs a hard, solid material. So I don't know that it's going to change much, but maybe the materials will.
I expect the level of automation and intelligence to just continue to increase in process and equipment. I think that lights out production will be the standard in 5-10 years. I mean, it's hard to imagine what 100 years will bring.
Impossible for me to say, but I'd expect them to be made in space.
Okay, if you didn't work at Vulcan, what would you do instead?
That's easy. I'd be working with dogs, training them, breeding them, working with veterans, therapy dogs, search and rescue, something I've already done. So it would definitely be animal related and providing a service to people in need.
This is a tough question. I really haven't thought about it much. I've been with the company 11 years and plan to retire from here. If I, for some reason, wasn't working at Vulcan, I think I'd work at another family-owned manufacturing company in our area.
If I didn't work here, I'd probably be in a punk band.
We hope you've enjoyed hearing from our team. Thanks for watching.